At Auto House of Boston, we offer you the finest in automotive maintenance, service, and performance upgrades, including the finest detailing offered. Tony Fernandez is known in the industry as Tony Ferrari. Troubleshooting issues on Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Maserati is his specialty. He has received extensive supercar training in Italy and the US and is known as one of the finest mechanics worldwide.
When people come to Tony Ferrari, they expect top-notch service to have their car serviced at the highest level that could possibly be done. Supercar training is a very intensive training. You perform some of that training one-on-one with instructors in Italy. Some of the testing is very, very intense because they want to know when you come back to the dealership that you're going to be able to fix those cars correctly and give the client the best experience as possible. So a supercar is very special to the owners and to the factory. And only a few owners get chosen to buy those cars. Here at Auto House of Boston, we don't settle for less than outstanding service repairs, from minor to major service, and auto detailing. And we are very big on customizing your vehicle to your likes with a lot of carbon fiber and accessories.